Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, March 22nd. This is going to be my analysis of the Euro US dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on the pound dollar, I definitely am still looking at an uptrend. I still think this is going to continue to trend up on the monthly, eventually go up and take out these highs and probably end up looking something like this. Now, this is the monthly time frame, and that's going to take years to play out, but I still think it's very important information. So going down to the weekly, I think it's very obvious we are going down right now, but I still think this is a wave 1. I still think this is a running flat wave 2. I still believe this is a 1. I actually just think that we're in a wave 2 still, and then eventually, maybe in like 6 to 8 weeks or so, we'll go up for that big old wave 3. So taking it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, see this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 shape right here. I think it's a leading diagonal wave A. Even though this is a higher high right here, I think it is very clearly 3 waves up. I think it's just like a higher high wave B, which does happen quite often. And now I think it's very, very clear that we are in a wave C. I think this wave C will take out the low of the wave A, probably the low of the wave 4 over there. It might even go all the way down to the 161.8, which is probably a pretty likely target for this wave C before it actually does end this correction and go back up for the wave 3. I still think this 5 waves up is a 1. I still think this is all part of a 2, and I still believe eventually, maybe in like, 4 to 6 weeks or so, it'll go up for that big wave 3. So taking it down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, I think we're very clearly in a downtrend right here. I think it's a 1. This move up was very, very steep because of the interest rate we had this week for the US dollar, wave 2. Very, very clearly going down now for a wave 3, especially with how strong it is. And like I was showing on the daily, if this really is a wave 3, it has a lot of downside potential still, which tells me that I definitely want to get short on shorter time frames, but I definitely wouldn't try to go short right now. Taking it down to the 1 hour time frame, like I said, I would for sure not try to go short right here, because if you did, what's likely to happen is it's going to go up and make a correction. But if we see something like this, like what happened last night in the Asian session, it was 3 waves up, impulsive engulfing move to the downside, and that's exactly what I would be looking for. Like I was saying, there's no guarantee it's going to happen now. It could just keep on drifting down, but hopefully it does make a pullback, because if it does, then that should give us another opportunity to go short for the continuation of this downtrend. I believe this is a wave 3, most likely a wave 3 of wave C on the higher time frames, which I still think is part of a big wave 2 all the way up to like the daily and weekly. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the card up here above. And don't forget to check out my new website, link down here below. As always, thanks and happy trading.